Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to give you an introduction to PowerQuery. What is PowerQuery? PowerQuery is a business intelligence tool that you can find in Microsoft Excel. PowerQuery is also referred to as get and transform data. It is used to import data from many different sources. It can be used to clean, to transform, also to reshape the data as required. It is used for data acquisition and discovery. It can massage data to your taste, or like it can merge disparate data together. It allows you to set up a query once you can reuse it with just a simple refresh. It can import and clean millions of rows into the data model for analysis later. Where can you find PowerQuery in Excel? The older version of Excel, like Excel 2010 and 2011, you have to download PowerQuery as an add-in. When it is downloaded and installed, it appears in the Excel ribbon as PowerQuery. In Excel 2016 and above, PowerQuery was renamed as Get and Transform Data. It appears via Data tab of the Excel menu. So, I'm going to launch Excel. So, I've got my Excel menu here. So, I'm just going to double click on it, okay, to launch the Excel, okay. Now, I'm going to open the blank book. So, I'm going to launch it right here. We can find PowerQuery on the Data tab. So, if you click on the Data and Get and Transform Data here, this is what you know as our PowerQuery and in newer version of Excel. So, from the Get and Transform Data here, these are different sources you can import data from. You can import data from file, okay. You can import data from SQL Server, from analysis service, from Windows Azure Marketplace, from data feed, from the XML data import, from data connection wizard, even from Microsoft Query, okay. You can also combine query, so you can also likewise you can also merge, you can also update query, okay. In this video, I gave you a brief introduction to PowerQuery, which is also referred to as get and transform data, okay, and in a newer version of Excel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.